Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can dropship from AliExpress to eBay the correct way. Now a lot of people want to start dropshipping but they don't know exactly how to start dropshipping because it's a little bit confusing for beginners. So that's why I'm making this video. I want to make this very easier for beginners to start the business because it's really not that hard. Like all dropshipping businesses aren't really that hard. It's just your mind makes it very confusing. You think, okay, how I'm going to deal with returns, how I'm going to deal with disputes, like if someone doesn't like the item, what should I do? It's all going to, all these things you think about will not matter long term because you don't really need to know every single thing to start. Because if you just say, okay, I need this, I need that, you will never start. Just start the business, okay? Learn the basics, learn how to list the item from AliExpress. Okay, I always recommend to use AliExpress as a supplier because it's very it offers very cheap products and you can make some profit with AliExpress compared to Amazon and Walmart. I tried all the e-commerce websites and I really like AliExpress because I can find many products to list on my eBay store. So let's get started right now, and of course I will show you guys every single thing you need to know about how you can start the business. Okay, let's get so first thing you need to know, guys, is how you can find the product that are going to sell on your eBay store. Okay, this is really important. Now what I do, guys, is to find other competitors and see what they are selling. Okay, so let's say that I'm going to find a random guy here or a random seller on eBay. Okay, so as you can see, let me just change the location to United States. Always when you're searching for competitors, in the top right, make sure you select United States because we want to target Europe and United States at the end of the day to make money. Because if you are shipping only to Africa or something like you will not make any money because you will have a lot of problems with the shipping and stuff like that. So I will show you guys what I mean in a few seconds. Now let me show you guys exactly how you can find the product. Okay, so if you click here on this item here, as you can see, we clicked on this t-shirt. Okay, so this t-shirt, as you can see, has 3 seals, that's really what we want. As you can see, this t-shirt has 3 seals. Okay, so these 3 seals mean this product is getting sales on eBay. We don't care if we can find this product on AliExpress and it has like millions of sales on AliExpress. Doesn't matter. Why? Because we want to make sure that people on eBay are interested in this shirt. Okay, so what we are going to do here. Okay, I know that this is not a shirt. Okay, it's like a small jacket here. So I'm going to show you, for example, I'm going to search for this exact item. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I mean in a few seconds. Now I'm going to search. Yeah, let me just copy the URL of this product. I'm going to open it on a new browser because this is like the browser I use. Now as you can see, this products, we can find it on eBay and we can see if we can make any profit. Now I always recommend you guys to download this extension. It's called Search on AliExpress by Image. This extension allows you guys to find the product easily. Okay, so in this case we found it. I believe this is the product. Let me check if it's the same, because make sure it's really the same product. Otherwise don't list it, because we want to have a legit business actually that adds value to other people, not just making money and like selling low quality items. You want to make sure it's literally like the same product so that you can start selling the product. Okay, so in this case, this exact product, it's the same, as you can see. Okay, it's actually the exact same thing. Okay, so this shirt is the same as this one. Okay, so if you check here, I'm going to click here on this color, which is the color we are going to sell, or this one. Yeah, it's actually this one. So he is selling this on AliExpress. It's $24 and on eBay it's $36. So we are going to make around $6 because there is eBay fees. Just keep that in mind. eBay takes around like 13% of the sale. So you are only going to be left with $4. You might say, oh my god, it's not worth it, you are going to sell it. But let's say that you are selling 30 of these every single day. It will make sense, because you are not going to list only this product only. You are going to list 1,000 items, but of course you have to list very, very quality products, and you have to be good with customers. If there is anything wrong with the item, just go to AliExpress and open dispute and make sure you refund the buyer quickly, so that they don't leave like negative feedback or stuff like that. That's really this is like a long-term business. This is not a get rich quick. A lot of people say, okay, I'm going to go to get into dropshipping. Within 1 month I will start to make $10,000 a month. Within like 3 months you will reach $3,000 a month. But you need to focus on like important things. You need to focus on making customers happy. You need to focus on like being better at what you do, and actually like search for like the best products, so that you can like add value to people on eBay, so that people will keep like buying these items from you. Okay, so what you guys need to do is, like I said, as you can see, this is the product. It's the same. It costs, like I said, $24. So this is like it makes sense to me. We are going to make some profit with this. So what we are going to do is to list this product. You just click on sell in the top right, and you want to click on create listing. Okay, and you want to click on, after you click create listing, you just need to copy the exact same title that the seller have on eBay. Okay, the exact same title as the seller. That's what I mean. Don't copy the title on AliExpress. Okay, we want this product, but we don't want this title because it's not proven to work on eBay. We want the title that actually works on eBay and it's getting sales. In this case, this product has 3 sales. Okay, that's what we want. So I'm going to use this exact title. Click on search, and what you guys need to do next, you just need to new with tags. Always go with new with tags. And what you guys need to do next is you want to scroll down. Okay, so when you scroll down, you just need to download the images. Here in this case, I'm going to click on main images, download the images here, and like add them here on the product page here. I'm going to add the images right now. As you can see, click on open. Okay, these are the images. Now you might say, okay, why would they buy it from me if they can't find it cheaper on AliExpress? Just keep in mind that people are very, very different. Not everyone thinks the same way. Okay, like I had the same thoughts when first starting. I was like, why would people buy from me? That's really what's keeping you from your dreams. Like you always think, okay, why would they that? Well, like just know that people are different. People are very, very different. Okay, some people, they don't like AliExpress. They don't even know AliExpress. They only buy from Amazon, for example, and eBay. So they don't know if you are a dropshipper or not. Even if they know, they don't care. Okay, so you might say, oh my god, like AliExpress package, they will receive the item with the AliExpress package. Just keep in mind that AliExpress doesn't add any logo or anything in the package. Okay, don't need to worry about this. I have done over like $200,000 in sales, and never I heard logo in the package, or from customers complaining about the AliExpress logo in the package, and even though they purchased it from eBay. I've never heard any of that. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, so another thing a lot of people worry about is, okay, so if someone opens a dispute, what I'm going to do, if someone opens a dispute, go to your AliExpress account, my orders, and open dispute from on the sellers on the product on AliExpress. Just open dispute, get your refund, get your money back, go to eBay, or refund the buyer. So you will never lose. As long as you know what you are doing, you will never lose any money with eBay dropshipping. Okay, so after you do this, you just need to copy the description from the eBay seller, not AliExpress, because these keywords, they are not proven to work. Like I said, this product is proven to work because it has three sold items, as you can see here, 3. Okay, that's what we want. Okay, so after that, you just need to add the price. The price in this case is going to be the exact same price, but I'm going to reduce it a little bit so that we can make these products more appealing to buyers so that they can choose us over this seller, even though we reduce the price only by a little bit, a little cents. Okay, so that helps. In my experience, that helps. So that's exactly, guys, how you can use. By the way, if you want me to do all of this for you and you want me to list products on your store that will generate sales 100%, then what you guys need to do is you want to go to my Instagram account and contact me and say something like coach. Okay, so I'm going to coach you, by the way, call you and explain to you every single thing you need to know about how the business works, and also grow your store in front of your eyes. You will be able to see sales coming in 100% guaranteed. Okay, so if you want me, guys, to coach you, then go to my Instagram. This is my Instagram, it's verified. Just contact me there and then we can start working. Okay, let's get back to the video. Like I said, eBay dropshipping is very profitable, and a lot of people don't nowadays. They think, okay, dropshipping is died. It's not died. It will actually change your life if you know what you are doing. A lot of people come here for quick cash, which is not really possible, because every business requires a little bit of patience, a little bit of working hard, a little bit of consistency. That's really what makes you win in every business, not only eBay but every single business. Okay, so I hope, guys, this video helped you. Like I said, if you ever need anything, contact me on Instagram and I'm very happy to help you guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys next tutorial.